What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to, of course, yet another weekly episode of SA3 TV. And as you guys are probably thinking, why the hell haven't I talked about the S3 in quite some time? I mean, last week I had the, not 440i, the 340i. Before that I had the Audi S3. So today I'll be making a video just focused on the S3. I won't be driving anywhere, I won't be going anywhere. It's more of a relaxed talk to you guys. So a couple of days ago, I was asked about how much does it cost for a stage 2 Audi S3 Golf R Coupe Pro? What's the average costing of going stage 2 with these cars? So today I'll be going through the list of stuff you need in terms of going stage 2, where you should be going, what the ideal price is. I'll be telling you guys obviously how much I've paid for my stuff as well, around about the average. I think I might have paid a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. I'm not entirely sure. Let me know in the comments. But right, so for a stage 2 Audi S3, the first thing you need is decat. So the decat is, of course, or the sports cat, preferably decat. Obviously, you get more out of it. You can get more features like pops and bangs and stuff. I would never, ever advise getting pops and bangs with a sports cat because it would completely destroy your sports cat. A decat is the one you want to go for. Not only that, it is proven to be more effective in terms of your car response-wise, even maybe a little bit more horsepower, just debatable. So a decat is probably the most important part in terms of going stage 2. So that you can get from pretty much anywhere, like Miltech, Scorpion. I personally went custom. I feel like custom's a little bit better in terms of all these manufactured products, as you can only get specific size, etc, etc. I went for a believe it's a 3.5 inch decat, which I went, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it completely transformed the car. You guys know I'm always screaming and everything, but it genuinely did completely transform the car. Responses was so much better. On average, for a decat, you should ideally be paying is between, I'd say, about £400 to about £550. Like I said, that's from what I've seen, like online. Because obviously I focus on the custom shops, and anything custom, I'm all over it. That's how much they should average. Also, the company I got my exhaust on from Massini, they also offer custom decats, which is something I would highly advise because they also offer you any size you want. I think the biggest you can possibly get on your car is a 4-inch decat, and that thing is a monster. When I mean it's a monster, it's a monster. So with them, you can definitely get value for money. I can definitely tell you for that for sure. So decat is the number one. Number two, the intercooler. Right, so a lot of people I know personally have gone stage 2 without an intercooler. To be honest with you, I don't know why, right? I genuinely don't know why. They've got all these features of pops and bangs and stuff like that, but when it comes to more power, because obviously stage 2 is more power, you're pushing over 400 brake horsepower. So over 400 brake horsepower, you're looking at more hot air in the engine and more stress on the engine. So you need better airflow. Airflow is one of the most important things when it comes to power, and I think that's something a lot of people don't seem to put in their head. I genuinely don't know why, but airflow is one of the most important things you need in your car. You know, it's kind of like your car needs to breathe better in order to perform better. If your car's not breathing right, then good luck to the engine. It's just as simple as that. As you guys know, I talk realistic with you guys, you know. So I went for the AirTech intercooler, which I found was actually really good. Actually, you can feel the performance change after, because as soon as I got it installed, I took it for a test drive, and you can definitely feel that. Yeah, it definitely works. So that I got from, I think it's Ultimate Customs off Instagram. I'll put their Instagram link in my bio. Something if you guys want to, if you guys are looking into going stage 2, AirTech are really good. Actually, I've seen really good reviews. Like I said, I made a video quite some time ago in regards to what intercooler I should go for. I got loads of messages and I rounded them up, and the best ones were AirTech. I think it's more value for price, and obviously in terms of like it's proven to be actually really good for your car. I mean, like I said, it's debatable. For all the people that are going to say this, I don't give a shit. Okay, I went for AirTech. I experienced it myself. I'm telling you guys, it is genuinely a good product. The prices for that, I paid, I believe they average, I think, between £550 to £650. I paid £580, I think, off my head, because I know I had a discount code as well, actually. So I paid £580, but you can buy cheaper ones off, like, for example, like the Facebook Market, eBay, places like that are used. You know, if it's used, you're obviously going to get it cheaper. So my advice would be AirTech is a really good product I would go for. It's very easy to install. good pricing, and yeah, it genuinely does help your car quite a bit. That's number 2. Number 3, like I said, airflow. So induction kit. An induction kit obviously improves the airflow, obviously replaces the airbox in your car. I would say if you have a vehicle between the Audi S3, Golf R, Cooper R, anything between the MQB range, right, or any sort of similar car, I would say go for the Raceline R600 induction kit. And a lot of people seem to call it the Chav one or something. I don't know, right? But the Raceline R6 induction kit is probably one of the best induction kits on the market so far. Not only is it decent priced, it's proven as well to kind of help your car with airflow. I mean, and to be honest, it looks really nice as well. It kind of still keeps the OEM look. You're not having all these fancy colors of blue, red, and all sorts of stuff in the engine bay. Still looks kind of OEM. Like I said, that's something I wanted. So the Raceline R600 induction kit is probably one of the best induction kits you can have on your car. I mean, I haven't heard it, but people, when I'm driving, some of my friends who have seen me from outside drive, you can hear that little whistling sound, which I've seen on video actually. Here's a little video of this, what it sounds like. It is. I never realised it. I never picked it up. So I never picked it up until like a couple of weeks later. Okay, performance-wise, it was good actually. Really good actually. Price-wise, it was even better. I think I paid, because I bought it used actually from a friend, I paid £220. Yeah, I paid £220. If you buy it off the website, or even Ultimate Customs, I believe it's a little bit over £300. I think it's £350, I think. And the last one, of course, the map. So as you guys know, I made a video a while ago in regards to APR. Oh god, I got spammed to death, which wasn't the most professional thing you could say. I couldn't really care what people say. If you got your car tuned by APR, fine, it is what it is. Personally, I wouldn't get my car tuned by APR because I was talking about that problem. But I've been told that their maps are good. It was just that one software which they thought I was saying that they've got a bad software. I'm not saying anything. I just pulled out something they used to have. It's not my problem. If you're going to cry about it, cry about it. But a stage 2 map, my personal advice to you is go to a reputable company which are averaging the prices. I think if you know a company and the reviews quite well, then yeah, cool. APR, PSL, Wrench Studios. Wrench Studios, I would say, are very, very good. I've heard a lot of good things about them. I've actually got a car coming up soon which is tuned by Wrench Studios, so make sure to stay tuned next week for that, because that's going to be serious. This is a car I've been trying to get on the channel for quite some time, and he knows, he's watching, he knows exactly who I'm talking about. But that's a car I've been trying to get on the channel for quite some time, and I've been in this car a couple of times, and you just know, you just seriously know this thing is this thing is crazy. It's dangerous crazy. But that's what a map is all about, you see. I think in an S3, because obviously it's Quattro, you go stage 2, you've got control. In a car like his, you haven't really got much more control, so you get that more of a buzz out of it. But like going back to topic, a stage 2 map. You need a stage 2 map. Don't go to any sort of random guy off the street who's doing any sort of mobile stuff. Go to a good company who offer good prices. So an average stage 2 map, don't take me on this excluding APR, because I know APR charge an extortionate amount of money. I don't know why, but it is what it is. I would say roughly between £500 to £650. So I've got in contact with some good companies around the UK, rounded up the prices. Obviously this was when I was looking into companies going stage 2, and the prices were averaging between £500 to £650. There was a couple of odd companies that were charging a little bit more, which I couldn't really justify, so I went with the best priced one there was. And obviously, as you guys can see, how the S3 turned out. It is amazing. But yeah, so I thought this video was kind of more for you guys to kind of benefit off from, because I've had loads of messages in terms of where to look for, what to get for stage 2. So I thought, why not make a video about it? It would benefit you guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if there's anything I've missed. I mean, I hope I haven't missed anything. So induction kit, map, decat, and intercooler. So there's 4 things. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys hopefully this video is convincing you to go stage 2. But yeah, make sure to stay tuned for weekly uploads. We are so close to 800 subscribers. As you guys know, I'm trying to upload every single week for you guys, trying to make useful videos for you guys, fun video for you guys, because YouTube is something I want to take forward. And I'm only able to do that with the support of you guys. So make sure to stay tuned. I hope you guys are staying blessed, of course, during lockdown, and take care of yourself.